How to log in with other Konami account. How to switch account on eFootball. First, open up the game. Look at the top right and tap on Extras. From here, look down at the bottom left and hit Support, then tap Link Data. Just double check here to make sure your current account is actually linked so you don't lose anything. Alright, now close the game and open up your phone's settings. Scroll down until you find Apps, tap that, and use the search bar at the top to find eFootball. Tap on the game, scroll down a bit, and head into Storage. Now we just need to wipe the current login session. Go ahead and tap Clear Cache on the bottom right, then hit Clear Data on the bottom left and confirm it by tapping Delete. Don't worry, your team is safe on Konami servers. Let's open eFootball back up. Since the app is fresh, just select your preferred language and hit Done at the bottom right. Next, put in your date of birth, hit Next, and tap Confirm. Now for the fun part, logging into your other account. On the main title screen, tap those 3 lines down in the bottom right corner. Hit Data Transfer and select Transfer Data linked to Konami ID account. This will open up your browser. Just scroll down a bit and tap that big red button that says Users who registered their email address with another Konami app. Now just type in your secondary Konami ID or email, type your password, and hit Login. Once it says Successful, just tap to Title Screen and you are officially ready to play on your other account. If this helped you out, toss a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.